YouTube, what is poppin', family? I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for tuning in to the video today. Thank you. And by the way, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video. We are on the way to 10,000 subscribers this year. As I was looking this morning, I was fussing at myself because I say, man, I know my people are gonna be mad at me because I haven't posted. Listen, y'all, so much ripping and running going on. I finally finished moving. That is out the way now. Thank God. And I just didn't think it would be that long, because even when you plan a move and you be like, well, listen, this may not take me as long, bro, moving is still hell to deal with. You see what I'm saying? But today, we right back into it. We going out here to Allen Outlets, to the poloralphlauren store. We're gonna see what they got out here. And you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned, because today we're gonna do a clothing haul and a try on. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said, I'm happy to be back. Let's go. Like right now, I'm way more consistent with the videos. Matter of fact, today we're going to shoot 3 videos. So you guys be on the lookout for that. So yes, y'all, let's go into this outlet and see what they have. Come along. So we are back as promised. We didn't cop anything out of the store today, but I did have a few goodies that came into the mail. So let's get into these joints. This first one, right here, is this Polo Ralph Lauren flannel Polo Sport. Now, the whole Polo Sport little drop they just did is fire. From the Polo shirt, especially the jacket. Like if I can find a jacket, like I just have it. I think it's online still in my size. The Polo, the jacket, the hoodie, all that stuff, man. It is fire. When I got on the Polo app, they had a few pieces still left on there. So y'all get on there and tell me what y'all think about that. My favorite part about this flannel, honestly, I wouldn't have bought this flannel if it didn't have the patches on it. But the patches really stood out on this flannel, especially at the back. So that was hella dope. Like I don't know what the Polo Sport Racing they on right now. Like everything they putting out fire. From the Polo to the hoodie little suit, everything, even the jacket. That jacket is probably the hardest Polo jacket that I've seen come out. So y'all take a look at this one more time. Alright guys, this is the flannel that I was showing you guys. Try it on, let you guys see how it look. Check out the back. And the back of the flannel is one of my favorite parts. I'm a fan of the big red writing. Polo Sport at the back. Also, like I said, this shirt did not have the patches. I probably wouldn't have copied. Now, it's still up against the fence of what I'm gonna rock with these. Went deep into the closet, found these Forrest Gump Nike Cortezes. As you can see, same color in the shoe as it's in the shirt. May do something like this, but like I say, it's kind of still on the fence what I may end up doing with this flannel. Super dope. So you guys, once again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. My second option, which probably was my favorite, this Polo shirt right here, I seen actually, oh, I see this on the website. I think I actually seen this one on the website. This Polo right here is hard. This is probably one of the hardest Ralph Lauren Polos that they've dropped in a while. And that's just my opinion, nobody else's. I just think it stand out. It's dope. You got the peace love, sorry, at the back. As you can see back there, along with the Polo number 67. We got a whole bunch of colors. It's all open. And so you guys, as I was stating, y'all know me. Anytime I cop something fly, I have to always get something to match your week. Now you guys, don't forget, comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this. Now, to match this Polo shirt, I grabbed these Nike Air Dunk Lows. I think they call them Dunk Face or something like that. What stood out to me about this shoe, of course, if y'all haven't, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the shirt. All the colors that's in this shirt. It's basically in the shirt that's in the shoe. So you can see we got red right here, orange in the shirt, green somewhere, and yellow. Turn around, you guys see the back of the shirt. So basically, just pretty much every color that's in this shirt that's, you know, pretty much found in this shoe. As I was stating, I definitely would have not let this Polo shirt go away. I had to purchase it because it just stood out. Even if I would just wore an all black pair of sneakers, I would have just done it. But this Polo shirt right here is fly. It's one of the fly ones that it came out with in a while. So you guys, make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the matchup of this shirt with these sneakers. Now, I probably wouldn't do blue jeans. I have a pair of blue jeans right now. I would definitely go all black. You know, I just feel like all black would stand out way more with this. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below, tell me what you think. Tell me if you would do something different, what jeans you would wear. Comment down below, y'all comment down below, just let me know what you think about the fit in general. So yeah, man, that'll be all for this video. Like I say, I thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in and checking your boy out, man. Until the next time, I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana Twister, baby girl, just want